How to use ChatGPT to learn transport and logistic English. These are my content. Why transportation logistic English matter? Global communication efficiency. Clear English helps logistic professionals communicate across countries, reducing misunderstandings in shipping instructions, schedules, and documentation. Second, accurate documentation handling. Transportation involves documents like invoice, bills of lading, etc., which are usually in English. Understanding them ensures compliance and smooth processing. Third, career opportunities expansion. Strong logistic English skills open doors to international companies and higher level roles in supply chain management. Fourth, understanding industry technology systems. Most logistic software and tracking systems use English interface and terminology, requiring users to understand key terms. Why I apply ChatGPT to learn TLE? First, improve technical vocabulary efficiently. ChatGPT helps me quickly learn key transportation and logistic terms such as freight forwarding, supply chain, etc. It explains meaning in simple English, which makes it easier to remember. For example, when I search in court terms, ChatGPT explained each term with short definition and real-life shipping situations. Second, practical work communication skills. It allows me to practice writing emails, etc. conversations used in logistic works. This improves my professional English and confidence in communication. This is the example that I use ChatGPT to write. Dear Evergreen Marine Team, we are writing on behalf of Athena Coffee to arrange the export shipment of a cargo container to our client Starbucks located in London, England. The shipment is scheduled for dispatch on 17th July 2025, and the rest, if it's okay, you can read by your own. The most important tips are that clear shipment details, polite professional tone, specific request information, and action and response needed. Third, assess flexible and personalized learning. I can study anytime and ask questions based on my own level. ChatGPT adjusts explanations to be simple or more advanced depending on my needs. When I don't understand logistic words, I ask for a simpler explanation. A logistic network is a system that connects warehouse, transportation, and delivery routes to move goods efficiently from suppliers to customers. Example, online shopping companies use truck sorting centers, etc. to ensure packages arrive quickly and accurately. This is how ChatGPT works. We should make sure what you type. Topic about what? Subtopic what ChatGPT should give you for detailed answers. More clear for your description of your question. Less chance you'll get wrong or vague answer. Please determine clearly what do you want to understand or learn in order to type the correct question and precise answer. Topic focus, port operation and container tracking. First, ensure efficient cargo flow. Port operation help manage how goods move in and out of port smoothly. Without proper coordination, containers may be delayed, causing congestion and increasing costs. Container tracking flows allows companies to monitor cargo in real time, reducing uncertainty and improving plans. Especially important for global supply chains where time is critical. For example, a company tracks its containers to avoid missing a shipment deadline. This is the graph that you can see briefly. Second, improve supply chain visibility. Container tracking systems provide real-time data about the location and status of goods. This visibility helps companies make faster decisions and respond to disruptions such as weather or port delays. Also improves communication between suppliers, transporters, and customers. For example, a retailer updates customers about delivery status using tracking data. Third, enhance security and risk management. Ports are high-risk areas for theft, damage, or loss of cargo. Tracking system can structure port operations, improve security by monitoring container movement and identifying unusual activity. This reduces risk and protect valuable goods. These are my examples. 3. This for Taiwan company Evergreen Marine Corporation. I'll read few. Evergreen Marine employs advanced container tracking system and reaches port inspection tools. At Port of Kaohsiung, it enhances cargo security. Also, this system illegal goods smuggling and safety risk from entire supply chain, thereby reducing financial loss, ensuring safer international trade operations. And the other is Amazon. Amazon strengthens logistics security via real-time tracking and cooperating with port authorities, including at the Port of Los Angeles. Upon goods arrival, advanced systems analyze shipment data to detect risk, such as delays, etc. Detection of abnormal activity, broken seals, etc. triggers immediate inspection of port officials. It reduces fraud, theft, and delivery disruptions across Amazon's global supply chain. This is the video.
We ensure safety of associates and employees who deliver on every customer promise.
Inside a facility that stores finished products which are picked, processed and shipped out to fulfill millions of customer orders. Every detail matters.
We are data analysts,
problem solvers,
strategic thinkers,
Leaders. We are
security and loss prevention managers at Amazon.
and this employees and associates, seller inventory, and most importantly, customer trust. As an SLP manager, I handle internal investigations, analyze data, work with the teams to safeguard seller inventory and fulfillment center operations. I use security systems and processes to keep fulfillment centers running safely.
Having served in the Indian Navy, I was excited about the experience. Mission felt familiar. Being vigilant and operating
Focused on internal investigation, incident response, and protecting site operations. Now, as a senior SLP manager means building scalable solutions, navigating ambiguity, collaborating with cross-functional teams, and utilizing data to strengthen the operations.
I started as an SLP coordinator, managing incidents, assessing risk and solving challenges on the floor. Over time, I've grown to lead team and make decisions in complex situations. Today,
Conclusion. Using ChatGPT to learn transportation and logistic English effectively bridges theoretical knowledge with real-world industry practice. It enables learners to understand how professional terminology and communication are applied with companies like Yangming Marine Transport Corporation, enhancing practical comprehension. Furthermore, ChatGPT supports the development of industry-relevant language skills through realistic scenarios and case-based learning. This approach strengthens critical thinking and prepares learners to engage confident in global logistic environments where accurate and proven English communication is essential.